basic file I/O. This is the last part of the strings note, and it allows us to do something fairly powerful. We can read and write files, which is a very nice feature because this allows us to process large data sets that we wouldn't want to store inside a Python program directly, and also to work over arbitrary data that might reside on your hard drive or on the internet. Of course, in this case, you'll have to download it to a file first. Not a big deal. One thing I should point out is these examples require that you have access to your hard drive, and naturally that's not possible in Python, which is restricted to your browser sandbox. So these examples must be run in standard Python. All right, so we give you a read file function. This code here you're actually not responsible for, but it's pretty straightforward. Open the file and then read it. There are other ways that you will see to read files if you go search the internet. We discourage these. This particular usage actually comes with some nice guarantees. Using the with statement in this way, if something were to go wrong while it was open, it would still close the file cleanly. So we highly recommend you use this particular approach to read file. And write file, where read file you would give it the path to the file you want to read, write file you give it the path, and then the contents, the thing to actually write into the file. And again, you can just copy paste these two functions into your code and use them. You probably want to cite that you did that, but you're not responsible for them. In this particular example, we have the contents we want to write. This is a test. That's a new line. It is only a test. We're going to write the file to a file named foo.txt, and here's the contents, that string. Then we'll turn right back around and read foo.txt, and we'll verify that what we read matched what we wrote. And then we'll say, open it to verify its contents. We'll go ahead and copy this, go here, paste, and run it. And when you run it, pretty unexciting. Open file foo.txt and verify its contents. Well, here's foo.txt on my desktop, and I go ahead and run it. And sure enough, this is a test. It is only a test. So the file got created as we had hoped for. So this now allows us to read files and to write files in a simple way. There's much, much more you can do with files and with paths. But this small amount here allows you to get started using files, and it's all you're responsible for at this time.